Got this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Gonna search it for goodies and all that good stuff. Got security man here, making sure I stay safe. Feels good to have security man back. All right, we're gonna get started. Oh, can you get that junk out of my way?
Yeah, no problem. Stupid rope. There we go.
These are the wrong shoes to be wearing on a wet day like this.
Ooh.
You got the right shoes?
No. But better than those.
Yeah, dude, I'm getting soaked. Please be a biscuit. And I ain't talking about bread.
No, not no loaf.
Not no loaf. What is this? Okay, let's start here. What is this? Antenna plus.
Satellite lamp.
Satellite lamp. Yeah, looks like it's expensive. Oh, looks like a light bar or something. Pretty cool looking light bar. I'll check this out in a little bit. Flare. Wanna set up perimeter?
Even in the rain, it's supposed to work.
Yeah. There we go. Kind of maybe put it over there, just like right here. That'll kind of deter criminals. You know? Wow, that's kind of smoky, huh? Yeah. All right, let's get back to the car. I love when I find flares. Oh, it looks like it fell. Looks like we have parking citation tickets. Let's see. Oh, look. Knife. What kind of knife is that? Check out. What's that symbol mean?
I wouldn't know.
Fun fact. Security man is Russian. All right.
What's this? Paraphernalia?
I don't know. Ooh, I think it is. Let's open it. I think it is. Holy crap! It's either that or parts. That looks like some. What's this? What's this? Looks like wax. What's that doing here? See? I don't know. I don't mess with that stuff. Yeah. Can you check the south perimeter for me, real quick?
Yeah.
Make sure no criminals. Yeah. All right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Rick, you copy?
Copy. Come in.
Like a situation over here, I think. Somebody's trying to break into one of your cars, I believe.
All right. I'm on my way. Yo, I'm heading that way.
All right, 10-4.
Tase him. Tase him. Tase him. Good. What's going on? Hey, there's two of them. Oh, damn. Hey, get the other one. Get the other one. Tase him, tase him, tase him. Any luck?
I don't know where he went. I think he went out to the side. You gotta get the car.
Okay. Just keep looking.
Get out. No. Damn.
Get the taser?
You have it, I thought. There he is.
No, that's good. Looks like we have these lights. I'm going to be removing those in just a second. Remove the goodies. Federal Signal ES100. Blue flasher survived the crash. Very nice. Sound Roadrunner solid state driven relay flasher.
Beautiful job, sir.
All right, look at this LED. Nice. Comes with this thing. of water right here. I can't even roll up this window. Somebody's ID. And limb. Here looks like we have some type of mic holder. It's a Motorola mic. Goes right here. Attaches just like that. Suck. Antenna. Kenwood mic. Looks like it's also a phone. It's pretty cool. Never seen one like this before. Wonder what this goes to. Is there like the numbers and stuff? Code 3 arrow stick. Cool. A bunch of wiring and stuff. We'll be removing this. We'll be removing that. Staying dry?
A little bit.
It's get raining.
Goofball in an overcoat.
See what this Sig Sauer. You ever heard of Sig Sauer? No, what is that?
Yeah, that does firearms.
Firearms? I was like, I heard that before, but I never. Well, hey, I got something to give away. Winner next video. It's freaking wet though. This is a PSE arrow stick. Gonna test it out later. See if it works. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. 2011 black seat. .233R. I know somebody who needs this. These shears will cut through just about anything. High speed extension. Very nice. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little biscuits, 4 little, 5 little, 7 little biscuits. No biscuits. Okay, gonna remove these. Taking apart a Crown Victoria is fun. Said no one ever. I spot some criminals. Funny man loyalist.
Yeah, you already know.
Loyalist.
We're gonna go ahead and break him out today, man.
All right.
We got a plan today.
Where's my spotlight, Craig?
That's what I need to get my tire light to show.
Yeah, exactly. TPM, those things are so annoying.
I don't need the thing, bro.
What do you guys think happened here?
Well, what I think happened here is he was eating donuts and crashed. I think this is what happened. He spilled his coffee in his donuts and crashed.
And then the car kind of just took a flip.
No, what happened is he was eating donuts and coffee and crashed. This is what happened here, bro.
You guys don't get offended. His dad's a cop.
It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm sarcastic as hell. I love police officers.
Yeah.
Shit.
You got all the goodies.
Shit, they fear you every time you go near them.
Oh yeah, Citrus Heights
Goodies,
police are
goodies.
my favorite.
He
Citrus-
empties out. He literally empties out the whole police station. You ever want to get a weird of a cop? Just come
Bro,
near
just
him.
Stop. Just stop, bro. No, I don't want no Citrus Heights police officers to see this. Officer Bush, you know who you are.
That's what funny man loyalists sound like.
Yeah. Where's the funny man at? Where's he at?
He's taking a nap in the trunk.
Oh man. Oh.
Bunch of goodies.
Today's gonna be
Goodies.
great.
Oh yeah.
Where?
You know those things blow up after about 20 seconds, right?
No, they don't.
It's a dude. You must have not seen the dynamite shank weapon.
Oh man, fuck it, bro. If it blows up, it blows up.
Go flare fight.
Oh, I can't even my
Hurry up. Harder.
Hey, look.
Harder.
Look, he's doing it wrong.
Oh, you're doing it wrong. Yeah.
He's doing
Pop
it wrong,
it
guys.
hard. Pour some more oomph into it. Oh! Oh, I think it's on fire, bro. It's on fire. Watch out.
You're good, you're good.
Oh my God, you're on fire.
Don't put it out, put it out.
Spit on it, spit on it. All right, hold on, no.
Alright, yeah.
No more.
Damn! I didn't mean for it to hit you like that, my nigga.
Got him in
watch
the
out.
head. I hope you got that on camera too.